In this question, I am given 2 points and I have to find the equation of the straight line. These 2 points are found over here in this quadrant, which is going to be, let's say, -4 and 1, and this point over here, which is given as 2 and -8. Okay, that's my y-axis and this is my x-axis. The question says, find the equation of the straight line. Now remember, it's going to be y equals to mx plus c, and all I need to do is find m and c. M can be found using rise over run. M can also be found by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We can choose which one we want to use. If I choose rise over run, I need to identify how do I get from here to here, and that looks like left, so it's negative, and this goes up after that, tail to tail, and that ends up as going from 2 till -4, which is going to be -6 in this direction. Then we go from -8 till 1, all right, so that number is 1 there, so that's going to be +9 in this direction. So this is -2 until -4. So the jump there is 2 plus 4, which gets me 6 in the negative space. This one's going from -8 to 1. It's going to be +9 in the positive direction. So rise over run says it's going to be 9 over -6, which is -3 over 2, which is -1.5. If I choose another method, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 method, then I have the following. So this is going to be x1, y1, and I have x2, y2. So if I go y2 minus y1, it will be -8 minus 1 over x2 minus x1, it's 2 minus -4. And -8 minus 1 is -9. 2 minus -4 is 2 plus 4, which is 6, which is -9 over 6. We're back there again, which is -3 over 2. Remember how to simplify a fraction. In this case, we're dividing by 3 at the top and the bottom. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Dividing by 3 and 3 as well here to get the same answer. So what is my equation's gradient? Y equals to -3 over 2x plus c. All I need to do now is find the c value, and then I'm done. The c value is over here. I need to substitute any one of the 2 points I have, -4 and 1, which is a negative value, or 2 and -8. It doesn't really matter which one because they both have negative values. Normally we substitute the one that has positive values because it generally is easier, but you can substitute anyone. If I substitute -4 and 1 in here, then x will become -4 and y will become 1. So 1 will equal -3 over 2 times -4 plus c. And so that becomes 12 because it'll multiply at the top to get +12. 3 times 4 is 12. Negative times negative is positive. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 plus c equals 1. I subtract 6 on both sides and I get c equals to -5. So c equals to -5 for this. And so my final equation for this is going to be given as y equals to -3 over 2 x minus 5. Okay, and that'll be the final equation for this line.